a South Korean court has sentenced ex-president Yoon Suk Yeol to life in prison after finding him guilty of leading an insurrection with his martial law declaration in 2024. Yoon abruptly declared martial law in a televised address in December 2024, saying drastic measures were needed to root out anti-state forces in South Korea's National Assembly. The 65-year-old hardline conservative was later impeached, arrested and charged with a litany of crimes ranging from insurrection to obstruction of justice. Presiding Judge Yoon has said that Yoon sent troops to the assembly building in an effort to silence political opponents who had frustrated his attempts to govern. Also joining us on the broadcast is Shruti Das Gupta, who is a foreign affairs expert. If I can get you on this first, ma'am, this is something that we are looking at right now coming in. The ex-president has been sentenced to a life in prison.
That's not new. They were going to do this. We knew it when he was arrested, when that the shortest ever in history emergency was ever applied. We knew that he did not have the power really to control his MPs and to control the nation. So his life imprisonment is not a big shock. We knew this was the direction they were headed in. They have taken in his wife's data as well, him as well. They've gone through a whole lot of files and found him to be culpable of the crimes that they have charged him with. Now, with South Korea, the problem was that there are the opposition is very much very soft towards North Korea, and that was a policy that he was fearing, that there are elements that are trying to bridge the gap between the North and Southern Korea, and that was what concerned him a whole lot, and that fear mongering led to him declaring the shortest emergency ever. But it is not surprising to all of us that this particular incident happened and the way it happened. Their courts have their rules and laws, and although there might be he has support, I'm sure there will be furor about it afterwards also. But as of now, his sentence stands, and there is another person leading the country. Hopefully, he will be on stable grounds and make policies that are better for all the people of Korea.
Right. And Ambassador, how are you looking at this situation currently unfolding in South Korea? All right. I believe we have some information coming in. I apologize, Ambassador, but I thank you all for joining us on the